I'm going to attempt to show you how to install an extension in Chrome that acts as an emulator for a terminal program that will allow us to access the Raspberry Pi through Linux commands. We have to be able to do that to change some of the programming so that the Pi will be recognized on our wireless network, and also hopefully to show you how to do it at home sometimes. So we're going to open Chrome, and this is an extension. Now this extension is called Secure Shell. That's it. That's the extension. There is a Secure Shell app that is an outdated version of that, but if you install that, it says that it won't be supported for very much longer, and then it won't work. So we want to go to our Google search and type Secure Shell extension and hit enter. That comes up to the Chrome store. We'll click that first one. And I've already installed that, but right here, instead of a remove from Chrome, it would have an install extension or some such, and you just push that and let it install into Chrome. So that will then take you back to just the main Chrome screen somehow, Google screen. Right up here near the top right, this little puzzle piece is our extensions, and if we click on that, it'll show any extensions that are installed. I have AdBlock and Honey, Newegg, and right here is the extension that we just installed, Secure Shell. So I'm going to click the little pin button, and you'll notice that right up here where the other extensions were, it pins that to our extension bookmark basically. And now when I click out of that, I can just click on that shell button and it gives me some options. I just want to select this first one, the connection dialog, and this is the screen that comes up. I'm going to make it full screen just so Google doesn't confuse us back there. So this is the terminal program that will allow us to access our Pi once it's connected. So if you can see this screen, that's as far as we need to go at this point. So we'll go ahead and close that for now, and we'll get back into it a little bit later.